Let's review numbers. Now, numbers take a lot of practice and a lot of finger dexterity, so make sure you don't overdo it. You want to practice, but not tons and tons of numbers all at the same time. So just remember to take care of your fingers. Follow my words, use your anchors in between. 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 1, 4, 9, 1, 2, 7, 19, 97, 12, 93, 16, 98, 13, 31, 91, 71, 99, 11, 41, 81, 14, 61, 19, 91, 29, 92, 39, 49, 96, 94, 89, 98, 97, 17. Okay, shake out, and then we're going to do the next drill kind of fast, so try to keep up with me if you can. Remember to write your anchors in between each number I dictate. 11, 88, 77, 22, 66, 33, 44, 77, 99, 22, 11, 66, 44, 77. How'd you do with that challenge? Shake out and we'll go back to a regular pace. 34, 36, 46, 37, 34, 36, 46, 19, 97, 12, 93, 16, 98, 13, 36, 37, 34, 46, 36, 67, 36, 81, 19, 83, 78, 62, 39, 41, 9, 96, 94, 89, 98, 97, 17. All right, shake them out a little bit and we'll move on to the next section. 34, 67, 46, 67, 36, 47, 46, 43, 63, 73, 64, 74, 76, 64, 89, 72, 78, 81, 96, 49, 92, 63, 43, 64, 76, 63, 73, 43, 64, 76, 63, 43, 76, 64, 73. Okay, take one last stretch, shake them out, and we'll move to our last part of our drill. 84, 92, 79, 78, 46, 62, 17, 24, 26, 27, 28, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48, 62, 63, 64, 66, 67, 68, 72, 73, 74, 76, 77, 78, 79, 17, 93, 14, 81, 19, 91. Great job. You've learned a lot of numbers.